So I want to sort my sheet by column A, but I want to do it every edit. I don't want to have to go to the A column, click this down arrow, scroll down here, and sort sheet A to Z or Z to A. Let's go Z to A. I want to do it every single time I edit the sheet, meaning I add a new person here, person 1, and I want that P right once I edit that. All right, here's how I do it. Extensions, app script. It's pretty simple. Function onEdit. That's going to be the name of our function. This is ON not capitalized, then a capital E. That is important. You do SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet, getSheetByName. And our sheet is, right now it's called sheet 1. You can name it anything you want. Sort. And you just sort what column, and it's going to be column 1. Save. Now, I have not authorized anything. I haven't added anything other than this one line of code, this SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet.getSheetByName.sort. Now, let's see if it works. Person 2 in there. Now, if you want A to Z or Z to A, we have to add another Boolean here, a comma. True is going to be for ascending, and false is going to be for Z to A or descending. So let's save that. That's going to be Z to A now. Now I add another Zoe Patel, and you see everything is sorted immediately. Now, as I keep adding information here and I edit this, maybe I give them a task, it's still sorting, but because it's already sorted, it's not changing. So any other edits that are happening anywhere else on this spreadsheet file, the entire thing, even if I add more tabs, once this is sorted, it's going to stay sorted. So we don't necessarily have to turn this on or off based on what sheet we're on or where we are or what we're doing or what we're actually editing. But if you want a little taste of that, what we would have to do is put in some information here with a event, and we can get that every single time we have an edit. We know what row we're on, what spreadsheet we're on. We can go variable row equals event range.getRow, and we would know exactly what row we're on. But we don't need to do that. We don't need anything here. Just because of this particular type of things just sorting in, it's going to sort it each and every time, no matter what, whatever. If you do want to get into more app script, check out Master Spreadsheet Automation over on Udemy. It's also part of Better Sheets. You can check it out. I'll put a link down below. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.